Where I cook, very soon I'll be plastering this area with mud. Yes. Those who have been here for a long time, they know. We always plaster this place. So that whenever we cook outside, it should be looking smart. Gezi isandla sami. Kaya mkali. Dishina nje. Ehe, faka dishina zonke zingagcwali yonke indawo. Put in a dish, please. Thank you. Ingafarira umombeti kuda mkaka mangwana, please. You want milk? Dumsani? What's wrong with you? You want milk? Aya panerimu. Panerimu waompya. Padenga rainde?
Iya tuwa.
Oh, iri. Sade sapa. Nasuda zuzu zare ntumbe yesu. It's okay. Yeah, come here. Hey, where's the Simon? Try Raju. Try Rachembera erori. Iri zitry raunzwa newe. Zvidikusa zvihluva nongobvisa miromo yacho. Nohluva zvombe andi izvi nokanda zvakadaro. Atingapedzi. Zvidiki nokanda zvakadaro. Uza atingapedzi shema. Time. Uyo aibvo. Okandira zvese mu. Ndigeze maoko ndichekerere. Ah, wazipinda mndanga redu ngazibude. Ngazibude nemweya yadzo yesvina. Out. Get out. Get out in Jesus' name. Ah, it's not normal for cows that you don't know. Just to come and enter your crow. Who does that? Out in Jesus' name. No. From no, they're not ours. And this guy's now going to fetch the cat. Look at him. Look at him. Phela manje ngigesela ama-tomato sakho. Fast ngigese. Who does that? Thank you. Ngabe ngayilungisa yebo. Disember. Ngayifaka iplastic. Ikona yayihlinza imbuzi. Sasifuna sasifika ngapha sasingela mali. What are you doing? Really? Rafa, I know you want to be on my camera. Please stop. No. Sokuphelele. Ngifuna ukugeza lo. Ngokuhluka khona kubamba ezandleni. Ngigeza lo. But ngifuna ukuthi alright. Ahola phini amandlu. People enjoy this mint now because I showed them how. Yeah, that's enough. That's more than enough. Let's put a pedal. Akusela siwambo. Mangiyephekela nje. Into amanzi alapha. Ngaphela namhlanje mina sengifuna ukufaka ibhobo la. Amanzi maningi nala. Maningi ngokuthi. Maningi ngokuthi. Angikwazi ngathi. Basomela ngifake imbiza yami esitshwayo. Mali ube. Hayi, faka enkuni la. Ibivuthwa kona. Abona senze plan la. Ibivuthwa eceleni. Ngifuna ukufaka imbiza le. Lokho sini. Kanya basok mo. Lethe la ngala, hambe letha le ku camera. Ume kwapha. Thoche ngapha.
Ngicabanga ukuthi yayehlisa.
So the way I cook, guys, I'm bad guess. The way I cook, I start with my onions. If I have like this, start with my onions, my tomatoes, not onions, you did it. I'll start with my tomatoes because I'm not gonna put cooking oil. Today we are cooking with the peanut butter. I'm the potato to want to want to bring if I am. Hey, I pong sugar laying cook. How? Cut it. That's why you put to cooler. Who is on corner? Who does that? So I start, just mix it once. See this stone? Huh? See this stone? Who does that? By salt. Bucket and then one in. So this is the mint. Yeah, I've got another thorn. Yeah. This is the mint that I got from there. I just cut it. Utolile sacako. Emnyama. Kalani ngaphi le? Amandezi Jimsana ungayibona inkomo le? Ayikho la amandezi ngekho. Wonke labantu abayo. Uzawakwazi njani ukuthi inkomo nale enjani lapha ekhona? Ray. Papa uyu. We know you are there. So after these, when they are ready, totally cooked, then I can add my vegetables. Stick. Ole phini lunga phela faka lapha. Uphini olunye lunga. Semixer lapha amaphini. Letheni olunye uphini.